Now, I noticed in a previous video that I made where it says how to make a monthly residual income, and I tell you about the dates at the top here, and I say from the 20th of April to the 20th of May. But I noticed this was 2008. Well, I wasn't trading on this platform, so what I've done is I'll take you over to the platform where I actually trade and put the dates for the 20th of April 2020 to the 20th of May 2020. So here it is here, the 20th of April 2020 to the 20th of May 2020, just to show you that I'd actually made £7,894.56 with this trading account. This is just one of the trading accounts. This is a new account that I've started using, and I started using it from basically the beginning of April, but I've set this to show you what I can earn in a month, and that is from the 20th of April 2020 to the 20th of May 2020. Now, if you like the content of my videos, below this video you'll see a link where it says buy Jeremy a cup of coffee. If you like the videos, support my channel, give me the thumbs up, feel free to buy me a cup of coffee. You can also, if you're interested in earning a residual income working online, then make sure that you click the links to come and join Zookle.com or JohnnyBlockchain.com or both. I'll see you in another video, and you have an amazing day. Bye now.